The pelleting belt made by strong pelleting press is a kind of continuous pelleting production process of the material of machinery with simple structure, reliable work, convenient operation, and material adaptability advantages. Its transport distance can reach several meters, dozens of meters, and even hundreds of meters. In the running process of the belt, if there is a section of the belt, or all the belt along the support device transverse movement, offset to the side of the conveyor support device, it is called deviation. In order to prevent deviation, the installation quality of the frame should be ensured to meet the installation standard of the conveyor. When the foundation is unstable, the anchor bolts should be fixed. The bad old idlers should be replaced in time. The heavy load should be avoided in the place with slope, and the brake holding device should be kept in good condition. At the same time, in the process of operation, should be found in time and deal with the press and belt skid accident.